The DBI SALA 7-foot confined space tripod features lightweight, durable aluminum construction. This tripod includes a quick connect winch mount bracket, top-mounted pulley system, and telescoping adjustable legs for easy setup. The tripod is shipped and stored with the legs set at full retraction. To assemble, lay the tripod on the working surface. Tilt the tripod into an upright position and fully spread the legs apart, ensuring the rubber safety shoes are in full contact with the work surface. The legs will automatically lock in place. To make height adjustments, remove the detent pin and lower or raise the telescoping legs as needed. Align the holes in the leg and insert the detent pin to lock it into place. Adjust the leg chain by removing excess slack. Position the unit over the opening of the confined space so the working line will approximately be in the center. Never operate the tripod without the leg chains in place unless it is used in an emergency situation where they may interfere with a rescue. SALA Lift 2 winches have a man-rated capacity of 350 pounds. These winches also feature an overload clutch, carrying handle for easy transport, corrosion-resistant construction, and a quick mount bracket and carrying bag. To mount the winch to the quick connect winch mount bracket, place the bottom of the winch on the fixed pin and push it towards the support structure. Align the holes at the top and insert the locking detent pin by depressing the button on the end of the pin. Now slowly pull out the winch line. Be sure to apply light tension to the lifeline at all times while feeding it off the drum. Route the winch line over the head mount pulley system on top of the tripod. Secure the line in place by inserting the locking pins above each pulley. The head mount pulleys will accommodate up to a 1/4 inch diameter lifeline. Once the tripod is positioned over the entry point, attach the snap hook to the dorsal D-ring of your full body harness. Remove the manhole or entry cover and descend into the shaft. Multiple systems may be attached to the tripod, but the tripod can only be used by one person, except for emergency situations. Rotate the crank handle counterclockwise to lower a worker into the confined space. If the cranking tension eases during lowering, the person or material being lowered has reached a work level or obstruction.
Lower you down?
Yeah.
Do not continue cranking without communicating with the person or checking the material being lowered. To raise a worker, rotate the handle clockwise. Always keep the cable tension firm. Slack cable could cause a free fall. When the worker has exited the confined space, immediately close up the entrance and disconnect him from the lifeline. The SALA Lift 2 is supplied with a connecting swiveling snap hook that incorporates a load indicator. If the winch has been subjected to impact forces, it must be immediately removed from service and inspected. If the winch fails to pass the inspection, you cannot use the equipment. In this case, it must be sent to an authorized service center for repair. The SALA Lift 2 incorporates a reserve cable retention feature on the cable drum. With the drum near empty, the shear pin is visible. The reserve cable ensures that the shock-absorbing feature is available throughout the working range of the winch. If the winch is shock-loaded at the reserve point of cable payout, the shear pin will shear, allowing the shock absorber to function normally. If the shear pin has been sheared, the unit must be returned for inspection and repair. For more information, please refer to the operator manual for these systems. If you have any questions on the use, care, application, or suitability for use of this safety equipment, please contact Capital Safety for assistance.